what's going on? What are you two up to?
Since you couldn't go to the ballet...
We're bringing the ballet to you, Luis.
The ballet? Here?
Sure. We already have the music.
And Gabby and I can be the dancers, and you can be the audience.
If your back doesn't hurt too much.
Oh, no, I'd love to be the audience.
Okay, then. Let the ballet begin.
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Ah!
Big Bird.
Yeah, I'll be careful. Now, this ballet is called the Ouchie Back Ballet.
The Ouchie Back Ballet, ah.
Yes, it's the beautiful story of a handsome Luis Bird, that's me, who hurts his back, and the beautiful fairy princess,
That's me.
who helps him get better. And now, the Ouchie Back Ballet.
Once upon a time, a handsome bird all of a sudden he bent over to get a delicious worm, and then he hurt his back. What could he do? He couldn't fly.
The first time you see her, the wolf from the blue. Just something so quiet that's waiting for you. You don't want to tell you where you're going to go. The first time it happens, you know. The first time you see her, no magical change, no angels appearing